The top 5 benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has been gaining in popularity over the last few years, and for good reason. This diet is based on the traditional dietary habits of people living in the Mediterranean region, primarily in countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. The Mediterranean diet is highly nutritious and provides many health benefits. This video will explore the 5 primary benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Benefit 1. Improved cardiovascular health. One of the most well-documented benefits of the Mediterranean diet is the positive effect it has on cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that following the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of developing heart disease and stroke. This is due to the high levels of monounsaturated fats, such as olive oil, found in the diet. Additionally, the diet is low in saturated fats and contains high levels of fish, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These components of the diet help to reduce cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. Benefit 2. Improved blood sugar levels. The Mediterranean diet is also beneficial for individuals with diabetes or pre-diabetes. This diet is low in simple carbohydrates, such as sugar and white flour, which can cause blood sugar levels to spike. Additionally, the diet contains high levels of fiber, which helps to slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and can help to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Benefit 3. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Another benefit of the Mediterranean diet is the potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Studies have shown that following this diet can reduce the risk of developing colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, and breast cancer. This is likely due to the high levels of antioxidants and phytochemicals found in the diet, which can help to reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. Benefit 4. Improved cognitive health. The Mediterranean diet can also help to improve overall cognitive health. Studies have shown that following this diet can reduce the risk of developing dementia and Alzheimer's disease. This is due to the high levels of antioxidants, which can help to protect the brain from damage. Additionally, the diet is low in saturated fat, which can help to reduce inflammation and improve brain function. Benefit 5. Improved mental health. Finally, the Mediterranean diet can also have a positive effect on mental health. Studies have shown that following this diet can help to reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. This is likely due to the high levels of healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help to improve mood and boost energy levels. Additionally, the diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, all of which are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals that can help to improve overall mental well-being. The Mediterranean diet is a nutritious and healthy way of eating that provides many health benefits. The diet is high in monounsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, all of which can help to reduce the risk of developing certain diseases and improve overall health. Additionally, the diet is also beneficial for cognitive and mental health, as it can reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. For these reasons, the Mediterranean diet is an excellent choice for individuals looking to improve their health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe to the Health Viking YouTube channel.